Hello, and thank you for choosing Dr. Hu Family Dentistry. My name is Dr. Jerry Hu, and I like to be the first to welcome you to our practice. Whether you're here to restore basic dental needs to get you to optimum oral health, or to look at sleep apnea devices, or dental implants, or of course cosmetic dentistry, which is our passion, we have formulated a videotape for you to look at for the different options and the latest technology available in our clinic. Also, please feel free to ask any of our team members if you have any questions. Thank you so much and welcome to our practice.
I've been coming here since I was 4 years old, and I never really liked my smile, and all my friends would make fun of my teeth. So my mom and Dr. Hu had a conversation and said that they wanted to do Invisalign with me. So I've been doing that for a couple months, and my teeth are really straight, and I'm really happy with it.
I would first like to share with you a brief history and how I grew to fall in love with the field and science of dentistry. I believe that anyone who is passionate about their career, their whole world becomes fun, and the sky is the limit on how far we can grow and excel. I started my passion at quite a young age. In middle school, I enjoyed art, sculpture, science, economics, and business classes, so I wanted to find a future career that would encompass all of those subjects. After observing a few local dentists in my hometown, Soldotna, I was entranced and stayed faithful ever since in pursuing my dream of becoming a dentist. I consider myself fortunate to have found my passion so early in life because it led me to become a fully independent practicing dentist and the owner of my practice at age 24. At that age, I had already earned both my Bachelor's of Science and Doctor of Dental Surgery degrees from the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor. Since returning home to practice, I have always kept my philosophy of excelling through continuing education and training. That is why, since then, I have been awarded several masterships, fellowships, and accreditations with prominent national and international dental academies, societies, and institutions. I have also won numerous national awards in cosmetic dentistry and published multiple clinical research articles in dental journals, as well as having taught continuing education to dentists myself as an instructor. Dentistry is a forever changing and rapidly improving field. That is why this pursuit of excellence and being exceptional in my field has been, is, and always will be the focus of my life. Don't be surprised in the years to come whenever you come in and see new technology, superior materials, and outstanding patient care methods become a part of our dynamic dental environment.
It took a long time for me to find a dentist to get a new smile makeover, and I thought I would have to buy an airplane ticket to go to Hollywood or somewhere to get it done right. None of my family and friends can tell they're veneers. They look so natural and they feel so real. I recommend Dr. Hu to anyone who is serious about having a beautiful smile.
Zoe's treatment plan to enhance and restore her smile included first a 3D wax up. That is a critical part because that's a communication between our office, Zoe's goals, and the lab. And so we're able to look at her chief concern, which were gaps between her teeth, as well as the angle of the teeth. They were a little offset, and so we were able to take photos, communicate with the lab, and get the wax up back so that we can be assured that is exactly what she wanted.
I came here to Dr. Who primarily because I ground my teeth down to little bitty nubs, and I got to the point where I couldn't eat anymore, and decided from his experience and background and everything I could tell, I just felt really, really comfortable using Dr. Who instead of the other dentists. He had it's about a 6-month program in doing this. The rest of them, it was wham, bam, it's over. So, wow, it really should take 6 months. This 1 week deal doesn't sound like, they're doing it right. So I figured Dr. Who was really doing it right, and we're really, really, really happy. But now I can eat, which is the main thing, and I look better. Best there is in the state of Alaska. And you want to do it right. Dr. Who does it right.
Smiles really matter to me significantly because they are the windows to people's souls. There have been a lot of research now that have shown that when you're at an interview for a job or at some important event, or even the first impression that people take, your smile is the first thing that people realize and see. So as a cosmetic dentist, providing smiles for people mean the world to me. And if I can enhance and improve your smile, that makes life most worthwhile for me. The media and several recent medical publications have brought the nationwide issue of sleep apnea into the limelight. Stories of commercial airline pilots and shift workers handling or operating heavy machinery while falling asleep during their shift have become shocking news to the public. It becomes evident that having sound sleep, especially REM sleep, is vital to living a healthy and functional life. Oftentimes, when people are diagnosed by their physician with obstructive sleep apnea, they are given the gold standard of treatment, which is a CPAP, BiPAP, or a VPAP machine. However, most people are CPAP intolerant. This means that although being properly diagnosed and provided with a CPAP, a majority of people with sleep apnea aren't benefiting from any treatment because they are not able to tolerate the machine. But there's good news. The American Academy of Dental Sleep Medicine has been working with dentists and researchers to provide an alternative using MRDs, which are known as mandibular repositioning devices. First, research has shown that patients are way more compliant with these devices, and they are completely portable. Imagine if you are going camping, hunting, or fishing, or even flying abroad. It would be difficult, if not impossible, to use a CPAP machine routinely. That is how our practice is able to help. Our office has been a part of a major beta testing research program for the Micro O2 patented sleep device. We also have numerous published articles and successful clinical research. Our office has even lectured on this topic to dentists in the lower 48 and in Canada. The Micro O2 is a superior device that is metal-free and is designed to allow for more room for your tongue and more than any other device that's available on the current market. If you have been diagnosed with obstructive sleep apnea and are CPAP intolerant, or even if you think you have sleep apnea and snoring issues, please ask our office for more information.
I was never really happy with my smile when I was younger, and it was something I always wanted to change. And now that I've gotten it done, the reaction from friends and family is just amazing. If somebody is looking at getting a new smile, come see Dr. Who. I mean it, it's life-changing. Awesome stuff.
The process of doing an excellent job for the restorative process is to hear your story. When patients tell me their story, their goals, and what they want to achieve, we want to relay that to the lab. And how we do so is through a wax up with photos and look at anterior characterizations And of course, we have certain guideline principles that we teach the patient and let them understand. And together, we're using the best lab, Microdental Max Studio in California. The benefits of using Microdental Max Studio Lab is that I know I'm using the best certified technicians in the world. They're well trained and they communicate thoroughly. And of course, we know in cosmetic dentistry, communication is top priority. Recently, I have passed several major implant examinations, and I'm also a fellow and master in the International Congress of Oral Implantology. I am also an affiliate associate fellow of American Academy of Implant Dentistry, and I have been trained at LVI in numerous implant organizations with live, hands-on patient experiences. My office is also equipped with a cone beam CT scan called the iCat CB500. This allows me to do safe, guided implant surgery that is carefully planned, and we utilize a custom surgical stent made just for you. This process uses 3D scan slices and digital data to allow for the best implant site for your surgery. It also allows me to see if bone grafting or bone augmentation procedures are necessary prior to your implant surgery. This is what sets our office apart from many other implant dentists. We take the time and invest in the state-of-the-art technology to offer you the most current treatment options for dental implants. I also have a piezo bone contouring unit that allows me, at my discretion, to aid in atraumatic extractions of hopeless teeth prior to implant considerations. So you see, when you choose our office, you're choosing a dentist who is vetted and cares for your long-term overall oral health and success.
I was always self-conscious about having to cover my face or not smiling, showing my teeth, but down there I was able to smile ear to ear. He has no idea how life-changing that was for me. I do recommend Dr. Hu because his staff is very compassionate and very caring on every aspect that they do.
It is important for all my team members to go on continuing education seminars and courses and training with me because it's all about you. Your smile, your story, what you want. We want to make sure that your service begins from the minute you walk through the door all the way to the very end in getting exactly what you want.
I would refer anyone to Dr. Hu that needs dental work done. And you can go to somebody that's cheaper, but you're going to get long-lasting teeth with Dr. Hu and quality that looks good. Actually makes you look like real teeth. I love my new smile, and thank you, Dr. Hu.
I love what I'm doing because I really, truly believe I'm changing people's lives. People come into our office sometimes with a whole array of self-conscious issues, with the lack of smile confidence, and I do believe we can make their lives change. Sometimes it's very emotional, and sometimes it is really the thing that tells me that what I do in my life and the ability that God gave me to do that is priceless. And hello again. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you've enjoyed all the presentations, and you have any questions regarding any of the techniques or the latest products, materials, please feel free to call our office at any time or visit our website at www.smilesofalaska.com. On the website, you'll be able to find lots of before and after photos and our award-winning cosmetic dentistry. Also, if you have any questions about implants or sleep apnea devices, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.